y equals e to the x power x squared. Okay, well we know what e to the x looks like, so I can just sketch that in as a little sketch. I'll use a different colour so it doesn't obscure the main drawing. So it's going to come down e to the x like so, and it goes through the value 1, doesn't it, when x is 0, and it goes off to there. And this is y equals e to the x, isn't it? Now, with that thought in mind then, when x is 0, we similarly put in 0 here. 0 squared is 0 and e to the 0 is 1. So there's our point. Now instead of it going up, if you take the value 2, say for example, or take the value 1 actually, e to the 1 will be here, won't it? And 1 squared will be e to the 1, so it goes through this point as well. Now when x is less than 1, these will get smaller, won't they? So it's going to come out like that and go up. So it's not going to shoot up really quickly until it gets past 1, is it? So for example, when x is 2, e to the 2 would be here, but when you put 2 in here, you'll get e to the 4, which just shoots back up. So it comes through this point, it comes around and up through this point, and then shoots up really fast. Now what gradient does it have at 0? So let's differentiate. So here, y dashed is a function of a function. E to the something differentiates to e to the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2x. Let that equal 0. That equals 0 when x equals 0. So we know it's going to have a gradient 0 here, come through here, go through 1, and then really shoot up quite fast. So I'm going to try and sketch that now. Apologies for that sketch there. I'll have another go. It's going to shoot up really quick, come down through here, and then and the same the other side. There's symmetry the other side. So it's a terrible drawing with a digital pen, I know, but that's the essence of the curve. And again, you're going to get this same value point here. This is the value at e to the 1, which is e. So that's the essence of the curve then in terms of drawing it. Let's just check that out. Make sure we're on the right track here. So we'll put e to the power x, so just type it in. I know it's small font, I'll just type it in. And we'll go from -3 to 3, because that's going to be quite... We should get a really steep looking thing. Yeah, so let's do -2 to 2, and probably we'll need to do less than that maybe. There we go. So there's the curve then. You'll notice how it looks. At 1 it's going to have the value e, and at -1 it's going to have the value e. So let's do -1.5, shall we? Just one last little look at this. Quick look to 1.5. Let's have a look at that. And we should see the shape, the sort of shape we'd need to sketch, yeah? So you can see here at the value 1, this is the value e. Here at 1, and at -1 it's similarly the symmetry, because we've got e to the x squared. So that's why it's the same value both sides of the x, positive or negative, because these correspond to the same values. Okay.